Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start our page number 15 activities that are the word study. Open up your books, page number 15, part D. Learn words with EI. You know about the 5 vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. The vowel combination EI often has a long sound, a sound. Whenever this combination will come in a word, you are going to pronounce it often with a long a sound. For example, Charles lived in quite a neighborhood in Nome, Alaska. Did you notice how I pronounced neighborhood? Neighborhood has a combination of EI, but I have pronounced it with a long a sound as neighborhood. I'm playing an audio for you. Listen to the audio very carefully. Read down the words mentioned in the box in the section.
Page 15. Word study. D. Listen and read the words. Look them up in the dictionary. Then listen to the sentences. Write the EI words you hear in your notebook.
80. Freight. Rains. Sleigh. Veil. Way. 1. The woman wore a veil at the wedding. 2. There were over 80 people in the theater. 3. Hold on to the reins when you ride a horse. 4. Elephants weigh more than any other land animal. 5. Dad and I rode a sleigh in the snow. 6. Large ships carry freight across the ocean.
Did you hear the words carefully? Now I have completed one part of this question for you. I have found the meanings of these words. 80. The product of 8 and 10. This is very easy. Freight. Goods transported in bulk. Bulk means in a huge amount. Reins. A long narrow strap attached at one end to a horse. You can see it in the picture. Sleigh. A sleigh is a large sledge that's pulled by a horse. These are just like carts you might have seen in the old movies. Veil. A piece of cloth women use to cover their face. Weigh. Find out how heavy someone or something is. Now what you have to do is play this video again, listen to the audio and write the EI words you hear in the sentences in the audio on a loose sheet of paper. That's all for today.